This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Lift the wiper arm assembly away from the glass for clearance. Press on the release lever, then slide the wiper blade out of the hook in the end of the arm. Install the new wiper blade, sliding it onto the hook at the end of the arm until it locks into place.